It is called the clone stamping tool. This tool is very powerful in removing unwanted spots that's present in an image. So let's see how this tool works. So we are going to sample a clear surface by using Alt and left click. Once we have sampled, we can easily paint it back and it will resample the color by average means and burn it into the spot. Now you can see that it is perfectly done. There is another method, which is by using spot healing brush. You can easily paint the spot and it will automatically remove it. The second tip is the masking method. It's a powerful method that can be used in various project works. As you can see, I have a colored picture and a black and white picture. Mostly to erase it, we will use eraser tool, but we cannot repaint our mistakes. So we are going to use brush. Now I'm going to select the black and white layer, and at the bottom of the panel there is a masking icon which you're going to click it. When you click it, it will create a white mask next to the layer. Click the mask and select the brush tool. Now we are going to erase it by using black color. Interestingly, if you make any mistakes, you can clear it by using a white color which is used to repaint, as we will see here. By this method, you can always have the freedom to go back where you started always. So this is the masking method, which is one of the best and powerful method that is used in Photoshop. The third tip, we are going to remove the background by a very simple method. I have two images here. One is the building and the other one is the background sky. I'm going to remove the existing flat sky by using a magic wand tool. You can always adjust the tolerance slider on how peculiar you need to select. After then, click the image on where you want to remove the background, and here it has selected some parts of the building too. This happens quite a lot of time. To deselect it, we are going to use quick selection tool and paint over it by holding Alt key. To again select it, we can use the same tool and directly paint over it. By this method, you can always select and deselect a selection by using quick selection tool. Then press Ctrl plus Shift plus I to invert the selection. Once we invert the selection, we are going to simply click the mask button that is present in the bottom of the panel, which will remove the background. To enable adjustment window panel, click Windows tab and select adjustment. Here is the adjustment window which can be used to color correct images. I will show a few of the settings inside the adjustment panel that can be used to manipulate the coloring of an image. This tool is very useful when it comes to color correction. It also has a lot of adjustment effects that is present in the panel. I will post another detailed video about color correction inside this adjustment panel. Try to play around the settings and see for yourself. Fifth tip, to enable clipping mask for a layer, click the layer on top of the master layer and clip it to it by holding Alt and left click. Once you have done that, the above layer is clipped to the master layer. Whenever you make any changes in the above layer, it will affect the layer below it. By this, you can paint over the master layer too without any restriction. This is also a powerful tool that can be used in various workflow. Even though it affects the layer, it is not permanent. Only the boundaries are set to the master layer, as you can always go back to where you started. Thanks for watching. If you learned something from this video, give a thumbs up. I will meet you in the next video.